Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a software to create multiple Facebook page. So first of all, you're going to need two things. First thing is MKT page software. I'm going to show you right away. And another thing is Facebook account. So do you want to create multiple, like thousands and thousands of Facebook fan page? You need very many Facebook account, so you can buy both these things from me. I can give you good price, of course. So first of all, here's MKT page software, and here I got like 11 account, Facebook account. So here, well, first of all, you're gonna go to these. You can load the account, add category, add your account here. So when you finish add your account in the software, you go to page admin, and you click choose the create page profile. Here you're gonna set up the page name, for example funny videos, or let's say a funny moment, funny something, funny let's say funny montage, funny haha, yeah, stuff like that. Funny something, okay, let's click here, funny something. Alright, we got like 5 page name here, and you're gonna choose category. Here's a Vietnamese word for entertainment, because my Facebook account is Vietnamese Facebook account, so it's gonna need the Vietnamese category for this. So if you buy like English, USA Facebook account, you can click here and choose entertainment. But my Facebook account is Vietnamese, so I'm gonna leave the Vietnamese word right here. Here's the description of the fan page. The description is let me show you right away, in case you don't know, of course. Let's go to one of my fan page. Here's the intro right here. It's a description. It's also affect the cell keyword, the keyword cell for your fan page. So make sure it's match with the page name. So your video is gonna be easier to get recommendation from Facebook. Here I leave funny videos, and okay, I'll finish setting up everything. The distance between two times to create a page. Here I leave each account generate only one page, so this number doesn't mean anything pretty much. Okay, I'm gonna choose like five account. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Click select and then start. It's gonna create automatic create Facebook fan page for you. So let's wait and see. Yeah, it's opening browser. Here, five Facebook account.
Artlist.io.
Here they're logging into Facebook. This account is gonna create a page soon.
Music licensing reimagined.
Here you can see
Music licensing reimagined.
You can also add information and invite friends from the Facebook account to like your page. Here, if you click here, you can add phone number, website link, email information, and also the avatar and cover picture upload. I want the videos to end fast, so I don't leave any information in here. But if you buy the software from me, MKT page, you should add as much information as possible. It's better for your page. Here, funny haha, funny something, funny videos. Here, funny montage. And here, funny montage again.
Music licensing reimagined.
Done. This one already created. Let's go see. Here, funny montage. And it's gonna do the same thing with all the account. So when it finish, you're gonna turn off the thread right here.
Artlist.io.
Here, finished.
Music licensing reimagined.
Here, funny haha. Right here. So I'm gonna turn off the software right now. You just need to click stop, and done. You got like 5 fan page or something. And that is how to create multiple Facebook fan page by using MKT page software. So if you're interested in my software, you can contact me on Telegram, link right here. I leave my Telegram link on the comment and in the description of the video.